Mumbai witnessing the beginning of a fourth COVID wave. Amid a spike in Maharashtra's COVID cases, there is concern over preparedness to tackle a new COVID wave. Mumbai is logging a majority of the state's cases. Over 60% of Maharashtra's cases are being reported from the city. There is a rapidly rising COVID graph. The maximum city on Sunday reported 961 new COVID cases, and the day before it logged 889 infections. The total number of cases reported in the first 5 days of June is more than double the total number of cases in March, almost 60% of the April cases, and over 50% of the May burden. So what do the rise in cases indicate? According to the State Health Department, the rise in cases signals the need for caution, but this is not being termed as a fourth wave yet. One of the main reasons that doctors are not yet worried about a fourth wave is that the dominant variant is still Omicron. In January, Mumbai had recorded over 20,000 cases in a single day, and experts say it is unlikely that the same variant can cause a huge rise again. What steps is the government taking to curb COVID cases? The government has said that it will do rapid testing in crowded areas, in slums, railway stations and markets, as COVID cases continue to rise in the state. However, the government has said that masks will not become mandatory unless there is pressure on health infrastructure.
सभी को मैं बोलता हूँ केसेस बढ़ रहे हैं, तो ऐसा नहीं है गवर्नमेंट बोलती मत, लेकिन पहनो तो अच्छा है अपने लिए भी और बाकी के लिए। मैं भी कल से मास्क पहनूंगा, क्योंकि पहले दिल्ली में बढ़ते थे, अभी बॉम्बे में भी बढ़ने लगे। तो मेरा सभी से अनुरोध है कि कृपया मास्क पहने, अपने लिए भी और बाकी सबके लिए भी।
उनको पहनना चाहिए सर, उनकी वजह से और लोगों की लाइफ डेंजर हो जाती है सर।
मास्क में कुछ हानिकारक तो है नहीं, और उससे अच्छा ही है कि पहनेंगे तो कुछ सेफ्टी रहेगा।
Maharashtra Minister Aditya Thackeray asked people to wear masks and not to panic amid the spiraling cases. Meanwhile, many Bollywood celebrities have recently tested positive for COVID. Superstar Shah Rukh Khan tested positive on Sunday. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee wished SRK a speedy recovery. Actor Katrina Kaif also tested positive recently. On Saturday, Bollywood actor Kartik Aaryan tested positive. Earlier, Akshay Kumar announced that he cancelled his visit to the India Pavilion at the Cannes Film Festival after he tested positive. Even senior BJP leader and former Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis announced on Sunday that he tested positive for COVID. Fadnavis had earlier contracted the virus in October 2020. Schools in Maharashtra are set to open on June 15th regardless of the rise in cases, according to the state's school education minister. Schools will reopen with COVID-appropriate measures, although masks will not be compulsory. However, experts do believe that monsoons and the following drop in temperature may lead to a rise in cases, and there is a need for precaution.